Now I've never seen an ATV, Nitro ATV in person. Even chain driven, disc brake at the back, scale looking exhaust, pretty damn sweet. What's up guys, Steve here again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Heaps of cool stuff coming up, just like this 1/10 scale Nitro ATV. I've never seen one before. Chain driven and everything. Disc brake, cool scale looking exhaust, pretty cool. But that's one of many cars that I'm going to quickly show you in this video because there's so much that I've got in lately. I thought, you know what, let's do a quick video, show everything quickly, little quick unboxing of everything, and then probably do some separate videos later on for everything. But if you're interested, stick around. Hope you like the video. Alright, quickly we'll just go through these. I'm going to do separate videos on these later on, but links to all of these products will be down below in the description, so go check them out if you are interested. So this one here is a 1/12 scale brushless 2-wheel drive. It's called Wave Runner, ready to run RC car. Now it's pretty much ready to run as it says, but it does look pretty cool. The design and the actual packaging remind me of a HPI car, but it is pretty cool. I haven't seen many videos on it, but let's just quickly have a look inside the box. So it is from WL Toys. WL Toys make a lot of these little cars, and you know what? They are awesome bang for buck in my opinion. So just have a quick look at it just here. Like I said, we'll do separate videos, but I just want to show you some of these cool new products. Looks pretty damn cool, eh? I do like this design. So it's only 2-wheel drive, but it is brushless, but it is really cool. Dean's plug connector there, comes with the battery and everything you need to, you know, get yourself up and going. So that is that one, 1/12 scale brushless buggy. I think it looks cool. WL Toys, good thing about them, yes, they're mainly online, but the parts are available, and the hop-ups are pretty crazy for these things, and they're decent price too. All right, here is another WL Toys. This is a WL C44 KM Metal Edition. Looks like one of those Toyota pickup trucks. It's really cool. It's unassembled, you put it all together, but it includes everything. It's got the motor, servo, and all that kind of cool stuff. Check it out. It's got a nice instruction manual. That's always handy when you need to put something together. And I was actually impressed when I had a quick look at this. It's a pretty well-made kit. It's a metal edition, so it's kind of the premium model. It's hard plastic, really cool, like Tamiya, old school Tamiyas. And check out the weights even. Pretty impressive. Now they do weigh a fair bit, but this is only 1/16 on scale, so that's pretty much maybe a scale weight, I don't know, but full metal axles and everything like that. Brush motor, it's got a 2-speed gearbox I believe in there as well. There's all your shell, your body, and it's even, check this out, even the bed is real timber. So isn't that pretty cool? So, you know, you can paint it if you want, you can do whatever you want with it, but it's massive. It's got everything you need. There's your servo included as well, so grease and everything. Pretty damn impressive. So that's another one. Man, I'm gonna keep my, gonna be pretty busy putting all these together. Now, I'll probably do another video for this. I'll see how much time I have, but I'll definitely have a look at it, put it together, that's for sure. But that looks pretty damn cool. A new one, WPL C44 KM Metal Edition. Next up we have one from ZD Racing, and it's small as well. It's a 1/16 scale, and this guy is a 4-wheel drive desert truck. It's another ready to run brushless RC car. It looks sick in my opinion. It's got LED lights and stuff if that is your thing. But it seems like these small cars are very popular now, and you know, it says it goes 40 to 55 kilometers an hour. I'm not too sure, but like I said, there'll be a separate video for this. Links in the description when you go check it out. This one here is ready to run as per WL Toys. But we'll just quickly take it out of the packaging. Obviously do a bit of putting together, and that's just putting the wheels on, but it does have oil-filled shocks, that's for sure. It is brushless. The little motor will be, or there's the LiPo battery just in there, and the brushless motor is nestled in there as you see. But it does look pretty cool. Has a 5th wheel there if you damage the other 4 somehow, but there we go. ZD Rocket 4x4, and it's a 1/16 scale. Looks pretty cool. I do like the colours as well, but sweet. And there's your basic B3 3-cell LiPo charger. Now this guy got my attention. This is a 1/16 scale, new from RGT. It's the 4-wheel drive Rock Crawler. It is part number 13616. Now it's true, ready to run. It's got a 370 brushed motor in there, LiPo battery, everything ready to rock and roll, just like the other ones. And we're in like a small type of scale theme here at the moment, but it does look pretty cool. Check out that. It's all waterproof electronics. Like I said, 370 brushed motor, full bore bearings, comes in 3 different body colors, gives you some lean departure angles and stuff like that, but it is pretty damn small. Let's have a quick look. Check it out. I got the blue one here. Pretty cool, eh? I like it. I think it looks pretty damn cool. Yeah, these are really, really popular, the small scales. Take a look at the body. And a good thing about this, it does have LED lights. Look at this spaghetti wiring there. So it's got a fair array of lights at the front, but it's got your 1100 milliamp hour nickel metal hydride battery in there, 370 brushed motor, waterproof electronics. Got a 4-channel receiver there as well, but does look damn cool. They feel oil filled, not too sure, but everything is plastic down below. What do you expect for the price point? Check it out if you're interested. Links are down below, but that'll be pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think about this. If you guys have any of these cars that I've kind of just unboxed really, really quickly, let me know what you think. Or, are they crappy? Are they good? And what about parts? Are there already upgrade parts available? Because, like I said with the WL Toys, heaps of stuff available with them already on the market. So, spare parts wise, if you get a WL Toys, you're pretty right as rain in my opinion. Next up, this is probably one of my favourite ones. Now it's bloody small. It's a 1/32 scale. It says Celliphone, so it's basically a size of a mobile phone. Rock Crawler. Now it's an OH32A03 kit from Orlando Hunter. Now these aren't new by any means, but this one is like the top of the bee's knees edition. It's got everything you need. The servos, it's got a sound kit, lights, ESC and everything like that. Now what's funny, it includes a D4L 4.2 gigahertz remote controller when you buy this kit. Links down below. Here is the ESC, and that's so damn small. It's got its own small little receiver there as well. And I've used these before. These are actually not too bad. So it's got everything ready to rock and roll. So your receiver, your servo's in there as well. And look at the little speaker. That is a speaker in there. How tiny is that? So pretty damn cool. It's also got lights and stuff, I believe. So I definitely have to delve into that. I won't be putting that together on camera, that's for sure, because I think I will lose any shred of hair I have left with those small parts. Because on that, check how small this is. Look at this. So obviously you got an instruction manual, really nice, and I've seen some of these before. Easy to follow. It's just so damn small. You think, how small can it be, Steve? Well, here is the motor. So that is, that's a motor there. And look at the servo. It's as small as. It's like a servo for ants. It's so tiny. And here's all the parts. You have absolutely everything. It's just like a normal kit, just miniature. Yeah, I'm telling you, it's tiny. It's got all your tools, everything you probably need. Tools for ants as well. Look at the body. Hard bodied, but look at the size of it. Look at that size of that body. Isn't that cool? It is bloody tiny. 1/32 scale. That is pretty cool. Now it's probably the smallest RC car that I have. But like I said, everything is there, ready to go, just in miniature form. And isn't that amazing how far we are in the hobby now? It's so small, everything's proportional. It's got lights, it's got sound. It's even got like a little sound kit in it. So pretty damn cool. That looks pretty nice. I even do like that matte grey colour that it comes in, but it's really scale. And if any of you guys have this, can you guys let me know how it was, how the actual build go? Because I'll be pretty interested in it. Next up, really interesting. I've never had one. It's an ATV 1/10 scale Nitro 2-wheel drive from FS Racing. Now I think this is a rebranded product. Not too sure, but I don't know if I want more info. Check down below. The box has been, went through a game of soccer because it has been thrashed. But there we go. check out that. I have never seen one in person, an ATV. But here's a guy. It's pretty damn big actually when you think about, you know, it's actually just like a 1/10 scale car, but the body that looks like an ATV. Sorry about the noise there. But what I saw this and I thought, wow, that looks pretty cool. I like the chain drive, you know, and the straight axle. Look at that. Look at the chain drive. Never seen one. Chain driven ATV. That's new for me. I actually never seen one. It's got a nice chain guide in there as well. Single speed transmission. Nitro. Haven't had a nitro car in a long time. Yes, I've had the Toyota motors. They're 4-strokes. Never had a nitro motor, I don't think, on the channel or unboxed or anything like that in a long time. So pretty damn interesting, guys. Never had one. Cable driven brake drum just down there. It looks like it's just a fibre drum, but pretty cool. Any of you guys have this? Nice compression actually. Oil filled shocks, aluminium bodied. That looks no coilovers, but it is what it is. Sweet little pipe. It's all scale. Doesn't that look cool? Now this doesn't move like with servos or anything. The guy just sits on top there, but it does look pretty cool. Even though the box got smashed in shipping, it's no blame on Banggood. Everything seems to be in order. So it's 2-wheel drive. Should be pretty damn fun. If anything, I'm going to use these parts on something because that looks cool. I just love that chain drive. How cool is that? Never seen one before in person. Obviously seen them on some videos, but you know, it's pretty cool. Slide carby there. Hopefully that should be a pretty good runner because that is, not too sure what engine. I'll have to double check. I'll do a separate video on it obviously, but looks cool. What do you guys think? If you have one, let me know. And I do believe it's a copy of something else. Not too sure exactly what it is, but you guys let me know. Alright, you would have seen a video of this already on the channel, but here is a new product that I've had just recently. I thought I'd just put it in with the collection. It's 1/6 scale 1941 MB scale crawler. It's basically a Jeep Willys type thing. It looks fantastic. I'm not going to open it up. You would have seen the video. If not, check out one of my recent videos. But that is basically what it is. I've done a running video, unboxing video and all that kind of stuff, and I'm thinking about putting a Toyan 4-stroke motor in this guy. So that's it there. If you want to go check it out, you know where the links are. But pretty cool from Rock Hobby. These are super popular. Yeah, really nice. Probably my favourite crawler there is pretty much. Last up on the list, this is just an empty box because it's sure as shit too heavy to hold. It's 10.5 kilo when you finish this actual trailer. It's got load capacity of 40 kilos. So I have unboxed this on the video, but I thought, you know, because I've got this massive collection, I don't know how many things, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I think 8 or so products. I thought, you know what, I'll do a quick product update video, show you what's coming on the channel. And yeah, so this is pretty damn cool. It's a 1/12 scale, but the tank on here is 1/16 scale. So for us tanker guys, this is perfect to display your tanks or any other 1/16 scale models, or if you have the HG cars like the Jeep or the 6x6, you can fit on here as well. So pretty damn sweet. Look forward to the part 2 where I've actually put it together coming up on the channel. Okay guys, so I hope you liked this quick video. I just want to show you all the products that I have coming up later on. So much cool stuff. I actually got a couple boats coming up as well. Hopefully that should be here soon, but here's all the things here. Like I said, if you're interested, links are down below. And if you haven't, please subscribe. Heaps of cool stuff coming up. And also, if you like the video, give it a good old thumbs up. So, thanks guys. Quick video, something a little bit different, but I really like this. I think it looks cool. Hope you have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one.